Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna be trying 5 new butter glosses. So this is strawberry cheesecake. You know, at first when I was putting them on camera, I did not like how they were looking. I did not have a mirror in front of me, so I don't know if it was the perception, but on camera, these lip glosses were bright, okay? I looked crazy. Like, y'all know how Nicki Minaj was looking on that Super Bass video? Was it Super Bass? I don't know, but but in the end, they were cute when I reviewed the footage. So yeah. Oh, excuse me, shaking. My nerves were bad. But also, I feel like another part or another reason that it didn't look as good on camera is because I didn't put lip liner before I applied some of these glosses. So, you know, I was just rubbing them off and not reapplying my liner. Mind you, this is my first time ever trying the NYX Butterglosses. So I tried to get shades. I tried to go for shades that were kind of complementing to my tone. So yeah, looking back at it now, it looks great. Not this color though, I don't know. I'll tell you guys my favorite at the end, but this was not one of them. As y'all can see, I tried to add liner. It wasn't working. Okay, let's get into this color. This color, like, I'm not gonna say it's their fault or anything, but I feel like with black lip glosses and not lipsticks, lip glosses, you gotta put your all into making it look good. Like, this right here was giving tar. Like, it made me feel like I was putting tar on my lips. It's just, it wasn't doing it for me, y'all. As you can see from the expressions on my face, it just wasn't giving. Yeah, so this was the last color. So all in all, my favorite was I would have to say the strawberry cheesecake. It was just a subtle pink. But thank you guys for watching and tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.